Watch closely. Most snoring is caused by your jaw relaxing and falling back. Surrounding soft tissues collapse and restrict breathing. Your lungs work hard to force air through this compromised space, resulting in the snoring sound. ZQuiet corrects this. It gently positions your lower jaw slightly forward, helping to open your airway, keeping it clear in any sleeping position. You'll effectively treat snoring and both sleep better from the very first night. Guaranteed.
Rick is really good at snoring. Very good. As soon as he hits the pillow, and he can fall asleep within 5 minutes. And he's snoring. It's like, that's what it sounds like. Pretty much. It's bad. For one of the first nights that Rick's used ZQuiet, my son said the next day, Riley said, "Dad, I didn't even hear you in my room." Before the ZQuiet, not getting a restful night's sleep was pretty common for both of us, and waking up the next day, you're groggy, you're tired, you're grumpy, and with the ZQuiet, it's the total opposite. It's great. It's been phenomenal for us.
And with the ZQuiet, I'm not being kicked and nudged and bumped and told to be quiet and roll over, and yeah, so it's been great. Yeah.
And having the ZQuiet makes everybody much happier the next day.
Yes, yeah. Attitudes are better, Getting a restful night's sleep is great. Yeah.
The snoring was very loud and constant, and it was just, to describe it would be to tell you that it was just very draining to be next to somebody who you're trying to sleep and you've got that loud reverberation.
I was hoping she'd get to sleep before I come up, because I started getting to the point where I was concerned, because I knew she wasn't going to get much rest if I came to bed at the same time. So I remember going home and saying she got the bill then, because she does all the bills. She goes, "Hey, what's this?" I go, "Oh, that's something I purchased. It's going to help my snoring." And she'd been so used to me buying all the other stuff I tried. It was just, she was kind of skeptical. Say, "Oh, okay, well, there's another gimmick. Are you going to even try it?" And I said, "No, I really read up on this, and I'm going to make an effort with this. I'm going to try it." And pretty much, it's stopped my snoring, so it's worked great for us.
So my experience with the ZQuiet was like a sudden realization that Nick wasn't snoring, that I was getting sleep and felt more rested. My life before ZQuiet was not as restful, and the big difference is I'm happier in the morning and more energetic. Yeah, that's the best way to describe what ZQuiet's done for us. I'm a happier person in the morning and more energetic, and I think that carries through the day.